Is your car's AC barely keeping up with the heat? Does it feel like it's just spitting lukewarm air even when you crank it to the coldest setting? Don't sweat it, literally. In this video, we are going to share 9 pro-level tips that will make your car's AC blow twice as cold, just like it did when it was brand new. Some of these are things most drivers have never even heard of. And by the end of this video, you'll be riding in an icy breeze no matter how hot it is outside. Let's dive in. Secret number 1, replace the cabin air filter regularly. The cabin air filter ensures that the air blowing through your vents is clean and free from dust, pollen, and debris. Over time, this filter gets clogged, especially if you drive in polluted or dusty environments. A dirty filter restricts airflow, making the AC feel weak or slow, even if the refrigerant and compressor are working fine. If the air coming out feels warm or inconsistent, the cabin filter is a likely culprit. Replacing it takes just a few minutes. This trick will cost you just 10 to 20 bucks. But make your AC blow like new. Check your owner's manual, but generally it should be replaced every 12,000 to 15,000 Warrenmeyer once a year. A fresh filter allows optimal airflow and helps your AC reach full cooling potential. Secret number 2, always use the recirculation button. This trick is completely free, but it'll make your AC feel like an Arctic blast. See that button with the little arrow looping in a circle? That's recirculation mode, and most people ignore it. Big mistake. When you leave it off, your AC pulls in hot, humid air from outside and has to cool it all over again. But recirculation reuses the cold air already inside your car, letting your AC get colder, faster, and more efficiently. The difference is massive. The moment you turn it on, the cabin air feels denser, colder, and refreshingly crisp. Don't wait. Next time you turn on your AC, hit that recirculation button first and feel the change within seconds. Secret number 3, park in the shade or use windshield, sunshades. Where and how you park your vehicle can drastically affect how quickly your AC works. Parking in direct sunlight allows heat to build up inside the cabin, turning it into an oven. It takes your AC much longer to cool down a hot cabin compared to one that's been kept shaded. If a shaded spot isn't available, use a reflective windshield sun shade to block UV rays and reduce internal temperatures by as much as 15 to 2,500 degrees. This significantly cuts down the cooling time once you start the car. Sunshades also protect your dashboard and interior materials from UV damage and cracking. Trust me, that $10 sunshade will feel like the best investment you made all summer. Secret number 4, insulate or replace worn AC hoses. Older vehicles may suffer from worn, cracked, or uninsulated AC lines. These hoses carry refrigerant, and if they lose their insulating properties or start leaking, you'll experience reduced cooling performance. In very hot weather, uninsulated hoses can also absorb heat from the engine bay, warming the refrigerant slightly before it reaches the evaporator. Replacing worn hoses or wrapping them with thermal insulation tape can help maintain cooler refrigerant temperatures. This simple fix ensures the coldest possible air reaches your cabin. It's especially effective for drivers in hotter climates where every degree of cooling counts. Ask your mechanic to check hose integrity during routine maintenance. Secret number 5, get your refrigerant checked and refilled. Low refrigerant levels are one of the most common reasons your AC isn't cooling properly. Over time, small leaks or natural loss can cause the refrigerant charge to drop below the optimal level. When this happens, your AC compressor runs longer to achieve less cooling, which reduces efficiency and can damage the system. A professional technician can quickly check the pressure and identify any leaks. If it's low, a simple recharge with the right type of refrigerant can restore strong, cold air within minutes. Avoid DIY refrigerant kits unless you're confident, as overcharging can also cause damage. Regular checks every couple of years ensure your system always runs at peak efficiency. Secret number 6, tint your windows legally. Window tinting isn't just for aesthetics. It provides real functional benefits for your car's interior temperature. Quality tint can block up to 60% of solar heat and over 99% of harmful UV rays, keeping your cabin cooler before you even start the car. This means your AC doesn't have to work as hard to bring down the temperature. The reduced strain on the compressor can improve its lifespan and reduce fuel usage. Make sure to follow your local state laws regarding legal tint percentages to avoid fines or the need to remove it later. Secret 7. Keep the AC condenser clean. The condenser plays a crucial role in dissipating heat from the refrigerant, helping it cool the air inside your cabin. It's usually located just in front of the radiator, which means it's exposed to road grime, leaves, bugs, and debris. When it becomes clogged or dirty, heat transfer is restricted, and the cooling performance drops significantly. You may notice the AC takes longer to cool or doesn't get as cold as it used to. Cleaning it with a soft brush, garden hose, or compressed air can restore full efficiency. Make this part of your regular maintenance, especially before summer or after driving through dusty or insect-heavy areas. A clean condenser helps maintain strong, consistent AC performance. Secret number 8, start the AC after ventilating the car. Before turning on the air conditioner, it's smart to open all the windows for 30 seconds to a minute. This allows the trapped hot air to escape quickly, making the AC more efficient when it starts. The interior of a car can heat up to over 140 degrees F when parked under the sun, and your AC will have to work much harder to fight that heat. If you immediately close the windows and crank up the AC, the system gets overwhelmed trying to cool superheated air. This not only reduces comfort, but puts extra load on the compressor. Venting first gives the AC a head start with a lower interior temperature. You'll notice faster cooling and reduced strain on the system. Trick number 9. Don't use max AC right away. This free trick can give you cooler air faster, and most people get it totally backwards. When your car has been baking in the sun, the interior is like a furnace. If you slam the max AC button right away, you're just blowing hot air around a hot box. Instead, roll the windows down, drive for 30 seconds to a minute, and let the hot air escape. Then hit max AC. This reduces the load on your AC system and gives it a much easier job. It cools the cabin faster, saves fuel, and makes the air feel colder and fresher. And there you have it. These tips will make your AC blow air like new one. These tips will keep you cool, calm, and collected all summer long. And there you have it. 9 powerful secrets that turn your weak AC into an ice machine, even in the middle of summer. Here on Car Fix Free, we don't just fix cars. We fix your wallet by giving you pro-level tips that save you hundreds in repairs and keep your car running like new. If today's video kept you cool, just imagine what the next one will do. So hit like, smash that subscribe, and ring the bell. Because in the next video, we're exposing the everyday driving habits that quietly destroy your engine before 100,000 miles. Remember, stay cool, stay smart, and stay tuned. This is Car Fix Free, where your car runs better, longer, and for free. See you in the next video.